Hello guys, welcome back once again. In this video, we're going to look at creating our first desktop application with React in Visual Studio 2022. We also look at the necessary component needed for us to get started. But before we do so, please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I've got Visual Studio 2022 opened. But make sure you have installed Visual Studio 2022 as well as Node.js, okay, before you come to this part here. But if you've done so, let's go ahead straight up and start working. Yeah, so let's go ahead and create a new project. And on the language side, yeah, make sure you select JavaScript. And let's look for a blank Node.js console app. Let's select it and click on Next. Here you can configure your project details. We're not going to look too much into that. So let's go ahead and create the application or the project. So here, as you can see, I've got a new project created for us. Yeah. Not to waste time, let's right click on the project and open command prompt. Yeah. So here, what we'll be doing is we will try and install some necessary dependencies needed for us to get started. Yeah. First of all, we're gonna put npm init. So and that's why. Yeah. So the next is we're going to install npm. We're going to install Electron. npm install Electron. We're going to install React and React DOM dash DOM. Yeah. So let's wait a moment. It might take a while. I'm just gonna pause the video while the whole thing. Okay. So once we've got that sorted out, let's go ahead and install this as well. So npm install. So let save and dev. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Going to install at Babel forward slash core. We're going to also add at Babel forward slash preset dash React. And we're going to add Babel dash loader. Yeah, so that's all we're going to add for now. So let's go ahead. So if we look on the right side, on the right hand side here, we should get some dependencies being added. So I'm just going to pause the video while the whole thing completes. So as you can see here now, we've got all the dependencies added. So let's come back to the project. So on the project, let's go ahead and add a new file, a new item. And it's just gonna be just this station dot um, Babel RC. Yeah, so that's all we're gonna put. So as you can see here, it's a hidden file. So this is what we're going to put inside. Presets. This will be at Babel dash presets dash React. Okay. So let's go ahead and save it. So that's all that we're going to put for inside this. So let's go ahead. So let's go ahead and add new folder and call it src for source. So inside the new folder, let's go ahead and add a new item. So the first one will be JSX file. This. So this will be app.js, and then let's go ahead and add another one, another item. So this will be index.js. Okay, so let's go ahead on the main one. Let's add a new item. This will be main.js. Let's go ahead and add one more item. So this will be HTML. So let's call it index.html. Okay. So as we can see, you've got all the necessary files added. So this is what we're going to do on the main. Yeah, main.js. Yeah, for this one, I'm not going to code it because I've done very similar code on my previous video. So let's paste it here. So this is what we're going to do. So this is what we're going to write. So have a look at it, pause it, and then make sure you copy it correctly. So have a look at it again. You can pause the video. So that's all that we need for here for now. So let's go ahead and open the app.js and add this import React from React. So let's create this function called app. So here we're going to return this will be div. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, so we're going to put this HTML div. So here just going to put very simple stuff. H1. We're going to say hello React desktop app. Okay, and then we're just going to add a button, very simple button, and we're going to add on click. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put alert, a very simple message, button clicked. Okay, so that's all we're going to put here for now. Then here, you're going to put export default app. Yeah, so that's all we need for here for now. Okay, so let's save it. Go on to the next bit, which is the index.js. Okay, so this is what we're going to put for the index as well. So import React from then the next bit is going to import React DOM from React dash DOM. Okay, so as you can see, it's not very complicated. So let's go ahead and import one more stuff. Import app from app. And then this is what we're going to do. So we're going to say React DOM dot render. Okay, so this is where we go to documents dot get elements by ID. So this will be roots. So as you can see here, it's pretty straightforward. That is also this is what we do for this bit here. Okay. So next is we go to the HTML and we complete what we're doing. So let's put a title here. So let's put desktop app. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. And then let's put a div. So the div ID, we're gonna call it root. Yeah. And let's put a script. And the script source will be the index.js. Okay. So as we can see here now, it's pretty simple. So let's save it and then come to the let's go to this app.json and packages.json. Yeah. So let's look for the scripts and add this to the script. So this will be start, and the start will be called Electron. Okay. We save it, and then we come to the command and we type in npm start. So this is what opens. So we actually copy this here, copy this, and we paste it here. Okay, let's close this. So let's paste it what we just copied. So also part to app. Let's make it the main.js. Yeah. So as you can see here now, we've got a desktop app running now. Yeah. So for some reason the test is not showing, but I'll leave it up to you so that you can figure it out. You can figure it out yourself. This will actually help you to understand the code better. So please, once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also the bell, and make sure you like the video as well. I hope you have a lovely morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Peace.